Hi, this is me Priyanka. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well. So guys, मैंने जिन लोगों ने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा है उनको आज का टॉपिक पता ही होगा। मैंने बताया था आपको कि मैं अपना नेक्स्ट वीडियो या फिर इससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो स्टडी रिलेटेड लाऊंगी कि हम लोगों का स्टडी पैटर्न क्या होता है, क्या क्या पढ़ाया जाता है किस ईयर में और कैसे पढ़ाया जाता है, हमारा शेड्यूल कैसा होता है, एक दिन में हमारे कितने क्लासेस होते हैं, जानेंगे इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा ताकि आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल सके। यू विल गेट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन इफ़ यू watch this video till the end. If you not, then you cannot get the information. So watch the video till the end, guys. If you have any language problem, then comment me below and I will know your problem and I will make all videos regarding your understanding, because understanding is most important in our life, that I think. सो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस, लेट ना करते हुए। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हे गाइस, सो हमारा वीडियो यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं गाइस। वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना और एक कमेंट ज़रूर छोड़ के जाना ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आपने वीडियो देखा है और आपका ये वीडियो देखने के बाद ओपिनियन क्या है। सो इस वीडियो का टारगेट हम रखेंगे गाइस 100 लाइक्स एंड 500 व्यूज़। सो आप लोग, आशा करती हूँ मैं कि आप लोग ये पूरा कर देंगे। सो थैंक यू गाइस फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी। और वीडियो आज का चालू करते हैं। सो गाइस, हमारा पहला जो है फर्स्ट ईयर के सब्जेक्ट क्या क्या होते हैं। मैं फर्स्ट ईयर से चालू कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम इन थर्ड ईयर, तो मैं थर्ड ईयर तक ही इंफॉर्मेशन है मेरे पास, क्योंकि मैं इधर उधर की कही हुई बातें और इधर उधर की बातों में ज़्यादा बिलीव नहीं करती हूँ। दैट्स वाई मैं जो मेरा जो भी ये है, जो भी मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है उसके हिसाब से मैं आपको बताऊँगी और जो भी बता रही हूँ सारा कुछ ट्रू है। ओके, यहाँ पे कोई भी फेक चीज़ें आपको नहीं मिलेगी। जिन लोगों को लगता है फेक, सो उनके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती। सो नथिंग, स्पीचलेस। ओके, एंड सो आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते गाइस। फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको फर्स्ट सेम में जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स मिलने वाले हैं, दे आर ऑल, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट मेडिकल सब्जेक्ट। ओके, यस, इट इज़ रियलिटी। मोस्ट ऑफ देम दे आर नॉट मेडिकल सब्जेक्ट्स। नाउ द सेकेंड सेम in first year there is 2 semester in every year. So in first year second semester you will have anatomy, so you have to give a exam, anatomy exam, that is not final anatomy exam. In second year you get again 2 semester. In that when the first semester is running, that time you will have anatomy final exam. Okay, so you have to start your study from first year, first semester. Anatomy you have to start because in exam there are very conceptual questions, very conceptual questions, and you if you read proper, if you understand proper, then you can pass the exam. Otherwise it is impossible to pass. This year guys, this year I want to tell you that this year exam will be in online, in Zoom. So many students they are very stressed and very careful about anatomy exam before the exam, so they read and we will pass the exam. So for you I want to suggest you that don't waste your time from first year, because in first year there is not too much burden. This is a very good time for you. It's a golden time for you to study properly. If you are doing parties and doing all other things with your friends, enjoying in first year, this is not a good way guys. This is not a good way. Believe me, I experience all of these things. That's why I want to tell you guys, study from the first day of your college. That is proper, that is a doctor character, and that is a proper student's routine should be, I think. So in first year you have to study by yourself. You have to study anatomy, biochemistry and physiology. In India they teach anatomy, biochemistry and physiology, but in Russia or maybe in Ukraine also you will have so many subjects, they are not medical subjects. So I want to tell you that don't focus on them too much. Yes, focus on them because teachers give you some PPTs that you have to make PPT in that topic and this topic, and you have to go to college and prepare in hostel and go to college and present the PPT. Guys, you are now I think you are now an adult. If you are not, then don't worry, you pass 12th exam, and I think those who are passing 12th exam, they have a knowledge that they can make a PPT within half hour, and they fully prepare it by themselves in 1 hour. So you have to make 2 or 3 PPT, then you can make it in half an hour and prepare it properly in 1 hour. So this is the enough time for your PPT. Don't be panic and don't be like, oh my god, I have PPT, I have to present in that way and this way. They are not medical subject, guys. So don't too curious about that things. Curious about your anatomy, think about your anatomy, biochemistry and physiology, what you have in your second year. But if you read this in your first year, then you will have the best result in your second year, because in first year not so medical subjects, so you have lot of time. So study properly, guys, in your first year. It is very important, I think so. So this is the I want to tell you. And the next is, guys, in one day you will have 5 or 6 classes. We have to go to our college till 7:30, because in the morning 7:30, because we from hostel to our college there is a 30-minute, or by running by walking it's a distance like 30 minutes or something like that. I don't know in what kilometer or meters, I don't know. So I want to tell you that from 8 a.m. we have classes, so we have to go to college before 10 or 15 minutes. It is enough, because you have to go to college. You will get the schedule before one day or that day morning, when which day you will have classes. Okay, so in the schedule there is 5 or 6 classes in one day. Maybe some days 2 or 3 classes, some days 1 class and 1 sports class. And these are like our schedule. When your subjects are clearing and all are completing, then the last time of the year you will get like that classes 2, 3, 1, 4, like that. Okay, so this is the schedule, guys. And at the evening the last time is, the maximum time is like 7:30, when we have Indian professors in our college. They are, yes, MCI coaching, guys. We have MCI coaching in our college. When they go to give us MCI coaching, and that time we have the class from morning 10 a.m. to evening 7:30 p.m. Okay, so we have to do that class also. That time we have 1 or 2 break in the mid. And everyday routine, in everyday classes you will have 10 or 15 minutes or sometimes more of that in between 2 or 3 classes, or in every classes. Okay, so that time you can go to canteen. If you want to eat anything, you can eat. Or if you don't want to do any other activities, then you can do study in the library. In college there are, in all buildings there are library are present, so there is no problem for you. And this is the schedule. And the next is, guys, the clinical exposure or clinical practice, something like that. So in first year they will show you, in anatomy they will show you some rib, some bones, all skeletal you can see. and they teach in a very good way, but if you get the translator teacher, yes, there is translator teacher, if you get that teacher, she know everything, guys, she know everything. If you listen properly, you will get all the information, all the knowledge. If you cannot listen and you think that she don't know anything, she is teaching in Russian and her translator translate in English, I am not interesting and all that. Yes, this is normal, because that one person is teaching in Russian and one person is translating, then we know and then we understand. It is a very like chain to chain process, but if you are trying to understand, you can understand. And there is in anatomy, there is other teacher also, they directly teach you in English. If you get that teacher, you have a very good luck, guys, because we get our translator teacher, the ma'am we get, she translate in she talk in Russian and her translator translate it, and then we understand it. So you will know that how we clear our anatomy exam. Okay, when I tell you that it is conceptual and all things questions are like that, then now you can understand how we clear the exam. So these points are clear, I think so, guys. This is the study pattern, and most important, and in my suggestion also, guys, that is you have to study proper by yourself, or you can call it self study. Okay, you have to do self study because you are not a little child, and in college there is no teacher. I think in any college there is no one who teach you like, beta ye A hai, this is A, so let's talk with me A, then B, then let's talk with me B, let's repeat with me B. So there is no teacher like that who tell you like that, okay, who teach you like that. In KG nursery it's okay, but for you it is not okay, guys, because you are now so sufficient, you have sufficient brain, you have sufficient knowledge. Sorry for my so guys, I think you can do by yourself and you can study by yourself. Okay, you have to do study yourself by yourself. Okay, self study you have to do. If you depend on anyone, you gonna be fail, you cannot pass the exam and you cannot do your MBBS. Yes, it is truth. No one is there for you guys who teach you line by line, word by word. You have to read yourself by study yourself. Okay, so this is today's video, guys, and my conclusion is, guys, if you want to go to Russia or Ukraine or any other abroad countries, then don't think that there is so many teachers, so they give us proper lesson and proper all things. Yes, if you don't understand anything, ask them, they will tell you properly. But if you cannot study anything and then you ask them, then you are going to be in the hell, because when you ask the question that teacher, what is this, then teacher tell you that this is that, do you know that, what is this, that time what you will do? If you did not teach, if you did not read the lesson, that time what we will do? Okay, so you have to do first study by yourself. After that you can ask teacher when you have doubt, or you can ask your seniors also. Yes, you can ask your seniors also. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and the conclusion is, guys, self study. You have to do self study. Okay, about clinical exposure I will make another video for you. Stay tuned with us, guys, to know more informative videos like that, and to know more things about MBBS Russia and Ukraine. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज। अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आपने वीडियो देखी है और आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। ये मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं गाइज। इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट then ask me in the comment section, and all after that video, sorry for the tongue slip, sorry for the speaks which disturb your mind and all, but I want to tell you the true thing, the truth about all of the medical students life, so you can know now. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye, be happy, be healthy, be safe guys. If you are able to take vaccine, then go to the vaccination center and take vaccine. It is very important for you all. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye, love you.